Welcome back to Ride Freedom Flyers. The 2026 Yamaha T-MAX R1. Like the thrill? Subscribe for more power. Emerging from the shadows of convention, this machine shatters the boundary between hyper-sport performance and urban sophistication, commanding an estimated global price of $16,500. Look closely at the file named Yamaha T-MAX R1 JEP, and you will witness a masterpiece of engineering that redefines two-wheeled luxury. The premium exterior design immediately captures the eye with its signature icon blue finish, a striking colorway that highlights its hyper-aggressive and deeply aerodynamic styling, sculpted to slice through the atmosphere with minimal drag. The front fascia boasts sleek dual LED headlights inspired directly by the track bred is R1, flanked by sharp integrated winglets and a tall, angular touring windscreen designed to redirect high-speed airflow over the rider. Beneath this breathtaking aesthetic lies a revolutionary mechanical heart, an estimated 560 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, tuned to deliver unprecedented power, pushing 55 horsepower with immediate, linear throttle response. As you twist the grip, the acceleration feel is pure, unadulterated adrenaline, launching you from a dead stop with a visceral roar, while the seamless automatic transmission delivers an uninterrupted wave of speed that blurs the world around you. Yet, for all its ferocious speed, this hyper-scooter treats the rider to an incredibly ergonomic riding position and comfort level, blending a plush, contoured sport saddle with spacious footboards that allow you to settle in for effortless cross-continental journeys. The technological nerve center of this beast features a massive 7-inch full-color TFT display, offering crystal-clear smartphone connectivity, full map Garmin navigation, and intuitive control over the advanced rider assistance systems. Riders can toggle between customizable D-mode power curves, dial in the multi-level traction control system, and engage an advanced cruise control setup for long highway stints. Safety is paramount when handling this level of performance, ensured by high-specification dual front disc brakes with Brembo calipers, an intelligent leaning multi-wheel anti-lock braking system, and a rigid, lightweight aluminum chassis that guarantees rock-solid stability during emergency maneuvers. The true magic of this motorcycle manifests in its versatile global riding experience, morphing effortlessly to master any international environment it encounters. On wide-open European highways, it acts as an absolute cruise missile, burning through tarmac with relentless high-speed poise and utter vibration-free serenity. Transition into dense, chaotic urban streets across major American metropolises, and its low center of gravity combined with a nimble wheelbase allows you to slice through heavy traffic with surgical precision and effortless low-speed balance. But the ultimate test awaits on the sweeping alpine passes and jagged mountain roads of the world, where the sticky, ultra-wide sport tires bite hard into the asphalt, allowing you to lean deeper, carve tighter lines, and accelerate out of apexes with the unwavering confidence of a true superbike. It is a harmonious fusion of comfort and chaos, a machine engineered for those who refuse to compromise between the practicality of an elite maxi-scooter and the raw and filtered soul of a racing motorcycle. The future of open-road liberty has arrived, wrapped in blue, driven by passion, and ready to dominate the global tarmac like nothing else before it.